Okay, so today we're finding the slope. We're going to work on number 1. It says the table at the right shows the number of small packs of fruit snacks, which is your Y, per box, which is your X. Graph the data, then find the slope of the line. Explain what the slope represents. So we're going to do 3 things. Again, some of you like to read, oops, it does this to me every time. Some of you guys like to rewrite this chart a little differently. You would rather, because this is your X values, these are your Y's, write them like this, 3, 12, so it looks like ordered pairs, 5, 20, and then 7, 28. So I'm going to take those 3 ordered pairs, come over here and do my best to graph it on here. So I'm going to go over 3 and then go up to the 12. So this is my first spot. All right, then my next ordered pair is 5, 20. So I'm going to go over to the 5, up to the 20. Here's my next spot. And then the last one is going to be over 7, up to the 28. All right. And then we're going to attempt to draw the line the best we can. We kind of add on the arrows. And there are many ways to find the slope, but I'll show you one way with using the graph. To find the slope, you find the rise, so how much you go up, and then the run, so how much you go over. So it went from 12 all the way up to the 20. So who can tell me how much did that increase by from the 12 to the 20? What do you think? 8. And then now it's going to run from right here all the way over to here. So it went from the 3 over to the 5. So how much did it run then? 2. Now we do want to reduce this, so we're going to divide by 2, and we end up with 4 over 1. So this is your slope. Let me show you one more way. Let's say the graph was too hard to read. You couldn't really tell. You can take your Y values and subtract them. So I'm going to take 20 minus the 12. So 20 minus 12 gives me 8. And then I'm going to take my X values, is the bottom number. 5 minus the 3 is 2, which then reduce by 2, and you get 4 over 1 as your slope. So 2 different ways. One, you can use the graph. One, you can use the ordered pair. Just remember, it's always the change in Y over the change in X, or we also call it the rise, which is the up or down, over the run, which is the horizontal. Whoops, horizontal. It's pretty ugly. Secondly, who can tell me in here, what does the slope 4 over 1 mean? So we've gotten 2 points. One we graphed, one we found the slope of 4 over 1. Who can tell me, what does it actually mean, 4 over 1 actually mean? Yeah.
4 fruit snacks per box.
Yeah, there are basically 4 fruit snacks for every 1 box. So 4 fruit, I'm abbreviating, fruit snacks for every 1 box. So that's your 3rd point for your assignments.